So today I've got my Ugreen fast charger, which I finally got my hands on a iPhone 8 to test out. Well, came in with a broken screen. I'm curious on the wireless side of it, how well the wireless charging goes. So I've got it connected up to my Orico 10-port 2.4 amp charging station. And as you can see from here, we are fluctuating a bit in voltage, in amperage, but a reasonable amount considering. So this one isn't in good condition, but put it on. Acknowledge charge there. Amperage has taken a while, but that's okay. The next thing I want to see is I'll just switch it off. And I want to see if it will charge at a faster rate turned off. So far, the state of it, the phone being on, the phone being off, still charges at the same rate. Oop, and we have a bit of a dip. Huh. It will refuse to charge wirelessly with it powered off. That's a different thing. Anyway, I thought I'd just show that and see if this information is useful for anyone. See you later. And one other thing I thought of is I'll just compare it to the actual standard lightning charger. So charging at 1.5 amp, a bit better than the wireless charger. I'm also curious if this powered off, we get a faster charge rate. Nope, so I'd say it's safe to say that it makes no difference if it's on or off. See ya.